everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Foxy and this is Foxy Books and Planning. Today I have my sticker haul for the month of April for you. It's a new shop that I found during one of the recent planner sales, and I'm super excited to see what my items actually look like. So, let's look this out. Get this unplasticed. Okay, so this, the shop that I picked for this month is called Highland Belle Plans. And I'm not sure if I will have this in 1 or 2 parts, because I did 2 separate orders from her. And, I'm still not sure if I have the second order. The second order might ship later. It might be part of May. Not sure yet. I'm really excited because during the sale I noticed some of her stickers that I'm sure you can see peeking out over the top, and I actually asked her if she could make some YouTube focused versions of those stickers, and she did. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you doing that, especially during such a crazy sale. So the first thing we have is this journaling card that says Classy, Crafty, and Hella Sassy. And then it just has some information about her shop, where to find her, and then it has a thank you for your purchase from Johan. I believe it is Johan. Thank you so much, Johan. And then the first thing we have in here is the sampler, which is a really nice size, and there are some boxes, some headers. There's a to-do list header and a you got this, and then some icons. I really like the to-do list. I could actually use more of those. But that is a really cute little sampler. And then there is a pack that must have been part of the planner sale. Let's see. Maybe. Yes, this must have been like a selection of stuff from other shops. So first up in here, and who knows? So let's do her stuff first, and then we'll look at the stuff that came in the little package second. So what I actually asked her to make was, so I saw these laundry sheets. These are actually for the Hobonachis. So they're little list stickers that say laundry, and then there's sort, wash, fold, and put away. And I love these because I like being able to have the checkbox for each step of laundry, and then there's laundry time stickers. And I believe I got two sheets. I got 2 sheets of these. Oh, that's wonderful. And I like these because I can put them in each day. So if I do laundry more than 1 time in a week, I will have it there, and it won't take up as much room as like a box. And I've still got my checklist. So there's 2 of those in the neutral kind of rainbow scheme. And then the ones I asked her to do, which are the YouTube ones, which there's 2 sheets of these guys as well. So it says YouTube, and then there's setup, film, edit, and upload, along with little words for each of those. And these are completely neutral. Thank you so much. These are exactly what I wanted, and they are absolutely perfect. Thank you, Yvonne, so much for those. And I'm looking so forward to using these in my spreads, because even though I have an Erin Condren and I don't use a hobo, I can still use these in all of my spreads. So there are those. And then things we got in the little gift pack. So there is a little strip of tiny washi that is navy blue with silver. Let's see if I can find the end of it. But that's really pretty. And then there's just a bow die cut. Make sure it's in frame. And then we have from Y. Davis Designs some envelopes with little that are silver foiled. And then we have also from Y. Davis Designs are these star checklists that are rose gold hollow. Maybe. All right, another thing from Y. Davis Designs are these no spend bags, which are so cute. I really like those. And then we have a small thing of coffee date stickers. Then we have, also from Y Davis Designs, these are Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes stickers. So you've got a little fashion girl with some pumpkins for more of a fall thing. It's going to be a magical day. Also a Y Davis Designs, like those two. And then just some fashion girls with very long legs. And then a whole page of sloths with different things. So like Sloth Mode Initiated, Rest Day, Give Me Coffee and Go Away, Hang in There's, etc. And these are from Highland Belle Plans. So I got a page of sloths from Highland Belle Plans. These are so cute. Thank you so much. Again, I'm really looking forward to getting my second package. And I'm sure I will either have it in these later, just following this in this video, or it will be in the May video. So with that, on to the next part. Alright, this is part 2 of the April 2020 sticker haul. Hi again. So this is the second half of my Highland Belle Plans order. Yes. And I'm super excited to get into it with y'all and see how this section turned out. So with that, I'm going, as you can see, I've already opened the box, so huzzah, look. And magically, we have stickers. So as with the last time, it's the same journaling card. So same journaling card as the previous order, same sampler as the previous order. The big difference is the sampler pack has a little note on it that says that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, instead of doing a shop grab bag where a bunch of shops send stickers around to each other to put in these grab bags, these are all grab bags from Highland Belle Plans or I forget, Y Davis Design Studio, which I'm assuming is the old name for Highland Belle Plans. So these are all discontinued stickers or leftover from previous group sales. So let's look at that first, see if we got any repeats from part 1. So this time, instead of one big bow, there's like a bookmark with a bunch of different bows and sort of spring pastel colors. There's some holographic teal foiled spacers that are bows and hearts. There's a Spread Love, which is a rainbow foil on clear paper. These are both, they both say Y Davis Designs on them, and then it says Highland Belle Studios as well underneath. And then we have some more no spend stickers. Some workout kind of kawaii little sampler pack with a little girl and some exercise equipment. A unicorn girl that says with reading a book with a little quote that says books are portable magic. Premium matte paper. This one is matte paper. The no spend is matte paper. Some running stickers. Some girl heads. Interesting. These are like motivational stickers. So there's the girl with the flowers on her head, and we have Be Badass. The universe is responding to who you think you are. You are one tough woman, now go prove it, and more badasses. Also premium matte. Then we have some Hey Girl Hays, also premium matte. And those are all the sampler stickers. So the only repeats we got were the no spends, which is totally fine. I really like these for no spend stickers, so I'm happy to have more of them. And the others aren't things that I would have normally picked for myself, but it'll be interesting trying to see if I can figure out how to use them or not. So then in my order, I have a sheet of email stickers to remind me when my family yells at me to email my grandparents, because sometimes I forget. Especially with the whole pandemic things. My grandparents are both in retirement communities, so they have almost no contact with people. Like my grandmother was, one of my grandmothers, her like weekly "Hey, I'm still alive" email was detailing what she ate, where she ate it, and where she got it from, which is kind of par for the course, because normally she says, well, today I went to IHOP and yesterday I went to Sonic and all of that stuff. But like, we're getting into details now, and it's like, I love you, Grandma. I appreciate hearing from you. I'm glad you're not dead. And then and it's like, I'm also not doing anything. Here's what I've eaten recently. So yeah, and I like how there's the 4 different colors as well. And then I got write stickers because I do write fan fiction on the side. And I wanted to make sure I had little icons to remind myself to work on my fanfic because I haven't touched it in a while. So this is to remind me to work on my fanfic. And I'm hoping to get a new chapter out soon. We're gonna hope. Then we have some spend your Audible credit icons, which I was also excited to see because I tend to forget that I have an Audible credit. And I think this is more than enough for the year. Yeah, there's more than a year. There's like 2 years worth of Audible credits here. So I'm really excited to have this as well. And then I did pick up one of her kits. This is the Bibliophile Horizontal Kit. And I was really interested to see how this would work out. I know I said I wasn't going to buy a whole lot of kits going forward, but I really wanted to try out her kits because horizontals are things I'm always looking for. Aha! So the first page... This is premium matte as well, by the way. So the first page has 6 full boxes with 2 quotes. I'm a reader not because I don't have a life, but because I choose to have many. And she reads a book as one would breathe air to fill up and live. And lots of little book stacky things and some half boxes and some quarter boxes. And then we have 6 checklists along with little strips. We have a hydrate yourself strip, a do the dishes strip, and a laundry strip, and some habit trackers. And I really like these because then you can fit way more stuff into a small space. Especially like with these can easily fit like right under a date cover or something, and they're not going to take up terribly a lot amount of room. But I really like this as a habit tracker idea instead of having the quarter box sized habit trackers. And I also like how this kit is mostly like taupe and green and olive. I really, really like the color palette on this. And then we have some regular habit tracker boxes. And then we have appointment labels and some, I forget what these are actually called. I guess you could call them appointment labels. They're more like little things. That is what they're called. They're called little things. And so we've got a week's worth of meals, some presents, cleaning, house, vacuum, Twitter, Instagram, computer, phone, a dumbbell, and a pet. And then we have some Gap Washies strips and some spacer strips, which I like these when I have a horizontal layout because I tend to use these more when I do a horizontal kit. And then we have our top washi. Is that actually top washi? Oh, this is for the notes box. Ooh, I like that. So this is like a big giant strip of washi to go in the notes box instead of filling it in. Or you could do the notes box and then put stickers on top, put this down and then put stickers on top of it. That could also work as well. Then we have our crack washi and some small icons. Then we have our heart checklists and some functional icon deco type things, which I like these because they're mostly words instead of pictures, which is awesome. And there's all different kinds. So there's a couple of bill dues or road trips, get to go to works, read, grocery shop, Instagram, Facebook, read, birthdays. I like the assortment for this because it's some of these things I won't use because like no one takes 2 road trips in a week unless they are very, very lucky. And definitely not in this environment. But like most of these stickers you could use in a week, and if not, they're neutral enough that they could easily be pulled into another one. Then we have our headers, and I like the fact that there's a small amount of headers, and most of them are not the same thing. So like to-do list, I love the to-do lists. I could just have like, if all of my headers, instead of it being to do today and little things, if it was to-do list would be nice and appointments, I would be sold. And then there's a bunch of others, so like next week, errands, clean these, appointments, whatever. Then there's bill dues, some reading trackers, some to-dos with some arrows, paydays, days off. These are the little flags that go in the old Erin Condren, not the 2021. Okay, so not the one that's about to come out and will have launched for insiders when this video goes, or will have launched when this video goes up, and not the one that is currently out with the kaleidoscope pattern, but the one before that, where they did the little flag of color at the top. And then we have our date covers and our date dots. This is a really awesome kit. I kind of want to use this week to see how this goes. I really, really like this kit. I really like all of her stickers so far. Haven't used any of them yet because I forgot to do my planner last week, but I am super duper excited to have these in my collection. With that, I would like to thank you all for tuning in. Please remember to like and subscribe. If you have a sticker shop and would like me to try out your shop, please hit me up down below. I'm always happy to buy some stickers from new shops or up-and-coming shops to kind of try them out and see how I like them in comparison to some of the more staple shops. And I will see you all in another video. Bye!